I'm Jackie Park.
And I'm Tim Callahan. Making Uber drivers more safe on the roads. That will soon, they'll have to be required to get insurance before they pick you up. And right now, some Uber drivers aren't covered by their private insurer when they're on the clock. 23 ABC's Gracia Aguilar hit the streets to find out what locals think of that new policy.
It's a concern any driver has when heading out for a drive. Do I have insurance? And it can be a major issue if driving is your livelihood.
With a lot of people out there driving nowadays with no license, no insurance, it could just, they're just another person, could be another person out there causing a wreck. And what happens if you get hit by them and you don't have insurance?
Popular ride service Uber will now be able to get insurance when they're heading to pick up a passenger. According to Engadget.com, Uber only requires that drivers use private insurance between fares, but many companies like State Farm and Allstate refuse to cover ride-sharing vehicles. And Uber only insures drivers between rides if companies won't pay liability and covers $50,000 for victims outside the car.
I think it's a great way for the drivers to be more safe, as well as other drivers.
Very important. If something happens and you're riding in a car that somebody's not insured, you're stuck. If something happens and you need to have need medical care, something's broken, you're going to miss work, and you can try to probably sue the person, but that's a long ways down the road.
But today, California Insurance Commissioner Dave Jones approved coverage with Metromile. Metromile will offer pay-per-mile coverage for drivers when they don't have customers. In a statement released today, Jones says Metromile is leading the way to expand the insurance coverage available to UberX drivers and passengers. We encourage other insurance companies to offer insurance coverage to California drivers who drive for UberX and other transportation network companies.
It's safer for everybody, and I think it's better for the drivers too as well.
Metromile policies will be available for sale to Uber drivers in California in February. Gracia Aguilar, 23 ABC.